Hi everyone, my name is Yikai Xu. I am the recipient of the 2019 Kathleen Lonsdale Prize. I did my PhD research at Queen's University Belfast with Professor Stephen Bell. Right now, I'm working as a Lieberhume Early Career Fellow in the chemistry department at Queen's. So in a nutshell, my PhD research was about assembling nanoparticles into bulk materials while retaining their nano properties. But before we get into this, I'd like to talk a little bit more about nanoparticles first. So whenever materials shrink down to the nanoscale, their properties change dramatically. I'm talking about a world where metals melt easily, silver looks green, and carbon becomes fluorescent. And so naturally, many of us believe that within this nano realm lies the keys to technological advances that could truly revolutionize our lives. And indeed, nature has given us a glimpse of this with water striders, for example, or wall-walking geckos that all get their superpowers by sporting nanostructures. And because of this, a lot of effort has been devoted into finding ways to synthesize nanoparticles. And we now have a variety of nanoparticles covering the bulk of the periodic table. Now, with these nanoparticles at hand, the next step to actually applying them in real life is to assemble them back up into bulk structures so that we can actually handle them. And this brings us back to my PhD research. Because nanoparticles are so small and so difficult to directly manipulate, so the route that we've selected to go is to alter the environment around them so that the nanoparticles will want to assemble themselves into bulk structures. In practice, this is actually quite simple. It only requires shaking a water solution of nanoparticles with an immiscible oil and a tiny amount of chemicals. What we're looking at here is a silver nanoparticle array, but the same method works for all types of nanoparticles. So right now, my research team is focused on expanding the range of nanomaterials that we can assemble, and also applying these assembled nanoparticles in spectroscopy and catalysis. I was and still am absolutely thrilled to have been selected for the Kathleen Lonsdale Prize. I still recall quite clearly the day that I learned about the prize at the start of my PhD, whenever it was still called the Young Chemist Prize, and secretly making it one of my PhD goals. That's why winning the prize was very fulfilling to me, a dream come true and a testament to my efforts, but also a reminder to me that hard work does pay off. Winning the prize has also been a huge confidence boost and a boost to my academic profile, which is why I will always be grateful towards the Royal Irish Academy and Henkel for sponsoring this prize.